common is it for Filipinas to have a spare boyfriend? Is it likely or not? Do you personally know any Filipinas who are married or have a boyfriend and also have someone on the side? If you've been in a long distance relationship for 7 years and he still hasn't visited, would you be tempted to have a local boyfriend or would you rather break up with the LDR? What are your names and ages?
Sophia, 23 years old.
Isabel, 19.
How common is it for Filipinas to have a spare boyfriend? Is it likely or not?
For me po, it's not likely. It depends on the circumstances of the person because I have a lot of friends with foreigner boyfriends, and this spare boyfriend thing, it's not their thing. So, and I see a lot of TikTok accounts that has real relationships with foreigners without those spare boyfriends po.
Yeah, it's really not common po. Like, it's not like
Do you personally know any Filipinas who are married or have a boyfriend and also have someone on the side? It's okay, you don't have to name the person. It's just yes or no if you know someone.
I don't know someone po. I don't know.
personally po, I don't know anyone with that.
And you're both from Naga, right?
Yes, we're both from Naga.
Good people. They're surrounded with good people, good couples. Okay. If a Westerner meets a Filipino online, what are some ways to tell if she might have multiple boyfriends?
I think when the foreigner asks for some details like address, and if they want to meet in person and the girl keeps declining, I think that's a sign. That's some red flags you should watch out for. And sometimes I don't want to generalize, but sometimes maybe they ask for some financial help constantly. I think that's a sign that the girl is providing something for someone.
Do you want to add something?
I think she said it all na.
If you've been in a long distance relationship for 7 years and he still hasn't visited, would you be tempted to have a local boyfriend or would you rather break up with the LDR? Let's start with you.
I'd probably break up with the LDR because 7 years is a lot of time. If he's really serious about me, he would have come here in the Philippines.
So break up.
Yes.
Yes, I would also break up. It's not my thing to cheat. I don't like cheating. I hate cheating. I've been cheated on. So personally, I would not. So I would just break up with him because I can't do LDR. So I think 7 years, we're not going to reach that point if we haven't meet up yet. Po.
Both in college?
Yes po, we're siblings.
Oh, that's why you're both beautiful. Okay. What are you studying, Ben?
Nursing.
Nursing. Graduating.
Graduating.
Interior design po.
What is your name and how old are you?
Hello, I'm Aya and I'm 18.
18. Aya. That's your real name, Aya?
No, my nickname po.
Your nickname. Okay, very unique, Aya. Okay, so here's the very first question, Be. How common is it for Filipinas to have a spare boyfriend? Is it likely or not?
I think it's very common here in Philippines since most of the girls are normalizing it.
They're normalizing it.
Yes.
Okay. How can you tell that women here are normalizing this now here in the Philippines?
Oh, I met so many girls and I experienced it also. I have so many friends that have spare boyfriends.
Oh. And how do you feel about that?
I don't think so. I didn't feel much. Andi ko lang, te.
Do you feel bad for their partners or do you think it is wrong? How do you feel about that?
I think 50-50.
What do you mean 50-50?
They're wrong and they're right.
They're wrong and they're right.
50% wrong, 50% right.
Okay. I'm curious, why did you say 50% right?
Just like I said in the first question, many girls are normalizing it here in Philippines. So many girls are thinking it is right to have a spare boyfriend.
It is right. Okay. Okay, it is right. 50-50. Well, that's her opinion. And you're 18, right? You're 18 years old. If you've been in a long distance relationship for 7 years and he still hasn't visited, would you be tempted to have a local boyfriend, or would you rather break up with the LDR?
I think I should break up with him because men are habitually nag-effort po sila para ma-meet yung girlfriends nila.
Okay. She said she would rather break up with him because men, they're supposed to like make effort to meet his girlfriend. Okay. Well, 7 years, that's quite long, right? 7 years. How about you? How long are you willing to wait for your long distance boyfriend?
I think
Before you say let's break up, since I don't see myself with you, it's been so long. So how long are you willing to wait?
I give him 2 years po.
2 years. Okay, you're 18, you're still young.
Yes.
You're still young. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
1 year.
1 year. Okay, how many boyfriends you had? I'm just curious.
3.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Rhea po, 21.
21. Okay, so Ria, here's the very first question. How common is it for Filipinas to have a spare boyfriend? Is it likely or not?
Actually po, likely, or it depends on the person, or it depends on the girl, how, ano siya, kung, sometimes po kasi, it depends on the needs, how someone, di ba po, common siya sa Pilipinas, basic English lang. Ano po siya, yes, likely common.
It's common here in the Philippines. It depends to someone if she's in need. In need of what?
Money.
Okay, financially. Okay, if she needs it, she needs more money, then likely she would have a spare boyfriend.
Yes. Yes po.
Okay. What do you call this? Who do you think is likely to have a spare boyfriend? Do you think the younger Filipinas or the older Filipinas?
Actually, for me, the younger.
The younger.
Since our generation is technology. Since our generation is technology, ano siya? The technology is oh my god.
It's common, like online dating apps, like the.
There are a lot of apps po na we can use to manggamit or manloko ng ibang tao, especially foreigner.
Okay. What do you call this? She said that since there's so many apps that younger Filipinas could use to scam foreigners. Do you personally know any Filipinas who are married or have a boyfriend and also have someone on the side?
Yes po. Sister-in-law of my classmates. He is Italian, and ano ba?
Okay, the sister-in-law of your classmate is in a relationship with an Italian guy, and at the same time, she's in a relationship with a Filipino. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so a classmate. Okay. Other than that, do you have like family, friends, no more?
No.
Okay. How do you feel about that?
For me, it feels very, it is wrong because wala naman pong tama ata na to cheat or to use other people based on your needs.
Okay, so it's not right to use someone just because you have needs.
Provide your needs po.
Okay, to provide your needs. Okay, if a Westerner meets a Filipino online, what are some ways to tell if she might have multiple boyfriends? So how can a Westerner tell if she has multiple boyfriends? What are the signs?
What are the signs? I don't think so, but I think if someone has apps which is dating app that foreigners is the yeah.
If the Filipina has dating apps on her phone, so that's one way for him to tell that she might have multiple boyfriends.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Last question, ma'am. This is just an example, okay? If you've been in a long distance relationship for 7 years and he still hasn't visited, would you be tempted to have a local boyfriend, or would you rather break up with the LDR?
I can say that it depends po siguro on it depends on the situation.
What do you mean? Would you be tempted, or would you break up with him?
No, I think if your boyfriend if your LDR boyfriend ano ba? If your LDR boyfriend isn't doesn't understand what you wanted, or ano ba dito? Siguro po yun lang. I can't explain, no? But may
You cannot. Okay, she cannot. Okay. All you have to do is choose. It depends this way. It depends on the situation. So there's a tendency that you're going to cheat. You're
not cheat siguro. I think breaking up with my LDR boyfriend first. And then there is possibility na I can entertain someone.
after you break up with him. Okay. You are 21, right? Mom is still studying.
Yes po.
May we know what are you? What course are you studying?
Bachelor of Elementary Education po.
So you're gonna be a teacher. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Mom. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. You're welcome. You did good. She said she's very nervous. That's why she's stammering. It's okay. She said it's also her first time. Thank you so much, Mom. We really appreciate your time. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.